Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that and you don't know the thing already, people. Bag of updates in our one. You see me, I say? Okay, people, we have some breaking news with Cardi B. You feel what I'm saying? It has been brought to my attention that she has 12 criminal charges pending right now. You feel me? I don't know which bar put this out, but we're going to have to talk about it. Okay, people, and I have some updates to you on the reason why Nicki Minaj is not following Shenseea. As you know, we just did a review saying Nicki Minaj not following Shenseea on Popcaan on Instagram. And, you know, I gave several reasons why I said that. Because, you know, the industry is trying to replace Nicki Minaj. That's my opinion. You see what I'm saying? We're all entitled to it. And I said they're trying to do that with Megan Thee Stallions. But people in my comment section, I think they're the barb saying that, you know, if I didn't know Shenseea was a Barty fan, you feel what I'm saying? And that's the reason why she's not messing with Shenseea like that. But I don't know how true that is because Russian actually worked with Nicki Minaj, you know, on one of the hottest reggaeton tracks, you know, the Crippy Kush, you feel what I'm saying? And that went over like 500 million, but I get what y'all barbs are saying, you feel what I'm saying? But who knows? We might get a feature with Shenseea and Nicki Minaj in the future, you know what I mean? Because of that Russian connection. And these are some of the comments on that video that I was posted previously, like I was telling you about, with the people them talking all sorts of smack about Nicki. You know what I mean? Like, people is grown-ups. They're allowed to follow who they're allowed to follow. Just like Shenseea unfollow Spice. You see me? I said. But nevertheless, they said the reason why Nicki is not following Popcaan, and this might be more believable. You see me? Yeah, as it pertains to Popcaan, Cassie says Popcaan recorded a song with Nicki Minaj, but Drake wouldn't drop it, allegedly, because he was beefing with Nicki. And we all know that Drake and Nicki went through whatever they went through, you know, whether it's because of Meek Mill or whatever, you feel I'm saying? But the good thing is that they're friends again. You see what I'm saying? So I hope that brings some light on the darkness. You see me, I say? Yeah, let's proceed to the people business on a really day as a fire, you see me, I say? Okay, like I said, people, you know, the Barbs and the Bardigan is still going at it, and it looked like an alleged Barb member got wind of Cardi B current criminal charges, you feel I'm saying? And you know the thing go with social media, you feel me? You have to verify and do your own research. You see me? And that's what I did. And it brought me to the NYC court website. You know what I'm saying? You pop in Cardi B name and boom, all of this pops up. You feel me? And I thought it would be some old-ish, but you know what I mean? It's stemming from like 2018, 2017, you know, and it shows it most recent one in the 2021. You see me? I say, and things. So I'm not gonna read out the charges for you. I'm just gonna show it to one on the can screenshot and you can pause, zoom in and read it one by one, you feel me? Yeah, but I was just giving that update with Cardi B. Because you know Cardi B a celebrity, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to keep up with an artist side. And who knows? Maybe somebody in the community or somebody watching this video can let us know what these charges is about, who filed these charges against her and all of these things. It's in me. But if you can't read, I'll just summarize it for you. So rapper Cardi B currently has not only one, not even two, but instead she has 12 active criminal charges filed against her. The charges include harassment, conspiracy, 9-Tray, and Brim affiliation, allegedly. You know what I'm saying? Criminal solicitation and criminal facilitation, reckless endangerment, and I'm sure you all aware of this assault. Yes, you know, everything is public. Her next court appearance will be on the 13th of September 2021, so that's like in a few days, you know. aka Holiday. If you know what that means, but I'm pretty sure somebody in the comment section will fill you in. You feel me? Yeah, so just wanted to give you the update on that situation. So let's proceed. And now, y'all requested for me to talk about different female artists, and Jada Kingdom was one of them. Well, you know she blocked me, and I really can't keep up to date with her. But upon your request, I went and investigated, and she has something to say to y'all about her captions. You feel what I'm saying? And I don't know what went down, but maybe y'all can fill me in the comment section. But nevertheless, she also got a new hairdo, and please do not get mad at me for saying this. Jada Kingdom got a ugly done hairdo. You know what I mean? She looks like ugly done with this hairdo, you see me say. But nevertheless, let's listen to her to talk about this ish.
Good morning, guys. I just wanted to tell you guys that being bipolar is not cute. It's really not cute. I wouldn't wish that on anybody. It has ruined my fucking life. So please do not take my caption as like a gimmick or whatever. That's just facts. I'm a Virgo, and they say I'm fucking bipolar. A lot of y'all make fun of me every day, say I'm crazy, I'm this, I'm that. Fuck you, fuck y'all. But it's not cute to be bipolar. I was just saying, it's not a trend. Like, people just use it now. Oh, I'm bipolar, I'm bipolar, I'm bipolar, I'm bipolar. Like, no, the fuck you're not. You wouldn't want to be bipolar. I promise you, you wouldn't want to be bipolar. Taking care of your mental health should be a fucking priority. Y'all know I give zero fucks. I do whatever the fuck I want, say what I want. I couldn't care less. I should say I could not care less. But when it comes to mental health, like, I don't get the joke. I really don't get the fucking joke. I don't get it. And I laugh at everything. But right now, where's the fucking joke? I want to say so much more, but I'm really not even in the fucking talking mood. I'm about to have a wonderful fucking day. Bye. Perfect. Everyone asking.
Wow.
No, it's okay.
You look great.
Thank you.
Are you a model?
No.
You should be.
Thank you. For everyone asking, I surround myself with positive people who want to see me win, people who care about my mental health, even more than I do sometimes, you know? People, you know, like, you see how I live. Like, I'm always in a good vibe, you know, or try to always be in a good mood and a good mental space. It's rough, but people around me push me to do that. So it's really important who you surround yourself with. You understand? So, yeah. Who's back? It's fucking over. Hey, Aisha, we fucking in this. Yeah.
Yes, big up yourself, Jada Kingdom. I know you watch me, so listen, just focus on what you got in front of you. You feel what I'm saying? Let people talk. That's what mouth and finger they're both for. You see me, I say Insta fingers, Twitter fingers, whatever fingers. You feel what I'm saying? But you are in a position where you feel that you wanted to be, right? Right now, it looks like you're on your pinnacle. You signed to one of the hottest labels out there. Drake is your record label mate, as long as some other people, you feel what I'm saying? So let's go and work on that track there with you and Spice. and I give us something nice to review about. You see me, I said about people. I was just giving that update with Cardi B and her 12 charges and all of these things, and Nicki B and Nicki Minaj and thing. And don't be surprised if you say about 500 more people do this type of review after me, like I did the previous one. You see me, I saying this is why when I need to like the video a thousand times, cause it makes me motivated to want to give them more updates my way. You feel me? I need to share the video a million one time because it also keeps me motivated to give you my type of commentary. Feel what I'm saying? If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Turn on all the notifications. You see it that way for you won't miss the latest in a dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip when I upload it. And if you subscribe to the channel already, make sure it's on because y'all are not getting it because YouTube reset the thing. You see it? Bless.